girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the group. 700 3i5s, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, and get the loot. Pull up with that Draco, play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a fruit. Nigga place me feeling, pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a littering. We at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug, he middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Sugar Ray Robinson. Shots to the chest, how you gas for I'ma spray em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor, talking to the athlete. Mine on so close to the guy.
I'm finna stand tall in it, I'm all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Taller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're ready to ride. I'm up in my chest, put your pop to the side. Go against the game, just get ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, big my tape till it pops. I thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep dive in the sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made it as a lot. All her baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, if she say you can hit my phone if you need some help. Don't stick around, if she say you can hit my phone if you need some help. All in it, all in it. You be on my back like a cardigan. Taller again, I'm in love with your friend. We be doing that, you hide the evidence. It's evident that you're sauna. Burn marijuana, deep diamond in sauna. Hotter than the sauna, I made her ass a lot. All her baby powder, she popped it for the dollar. Don't stick around, she say, you can't hit my phone, you need some help. Don't stick around, she say, you can't hit my phone, you need some help.
Say baby, 'cause I had to mention, if you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, got this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that fucking slacks on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, would shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, would shut it down. These girls ain't got nothing on. Got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. Good luck. You the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind to the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, sit down like computers. Crazy. Step into my heart and you put you in the tons.
This is a song for the good girl. We'll be do it all for a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. For the good girl one time. This is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a sugar.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. 'Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Fuck what you heard, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Fuck what you heard, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula hair, and today I'm reviewing this pre-cut new bye-bye knot lace unit. You guys, this is a 7x5 inch closure unit. I absolutely love this one because it definitely gives you frontal vibes. I know you guys have been watching a lot of my units lately and they have had this kind of lace, and I really do like it because it gives you the frontal look with the closure kind of price. And this unit is under $100, you guys. This unit is very affordable and it's very quick and easy to put on. It's perfect for beginners because this unit comes with very, very tiny knots. It's pre-plucked, which is absolutely amazing. you guys can see like how great this hairline looks. I mean, even before like I put baby hairs and all this stuff in it, you guys were able to see what the hairline was giving. And I really do like how they plucked this unit because they didn't overdo it. There's a lot of companies that do like pre-pluck the units, but sometimes like in the center part it can give like bald, and I hate when they do that, like, because then it makes it look weird, you know what I mean? So I just like the fact that this is nice and full all the way through. It's such a deep parting space. Like, look how far back that parting space goes. I love the length for this one. I'm not sure on the inches though. That's the only thing. I was trying to like look on the website and check the email to see like what inches did they send me, but I honestly have no idea how long this unit is. I would say this is about a 12-inch, and it's a little bit shorter here in the back. So it could be between a 12 to a 14-inch, nothing longer than that. And this is like, you know, an asymmetrical kind of bob. So it's shorter in the back and then it gets longer here in the front. So love that about it. And I like how full it is, because sometimes when we have like these bobs, sometimes they can give thin, and I hate that. Like, I hate when I get a bob and it just looks super like thin, especially like in the front piece. Like the back is usually full, but the front piece be looking crazy, or the front piece doesn't match up well with the rest of it, and I literally hate when that happens. But yeah, I really do like this bob. I don't really wear short hair very often. You guys know me. I'm usually like a 30-inch or better type of girl. I love really long hair all down my back, but on occasion I do like the short units, and I really do like this bob. I feel like bobs just make me feel like a boss. Like, I just feel like I want to put on a really cute, like, I don't know, like I just feel like I'm ready for like, I just feel like I'm ready for a important meeting or something. Like, I just feel like I have like important meetings to go to all day. I need to talk to my secretary. I need to cancel that, you know, brunch date with such and such. It's like, I don't know, I just feel like that kind of girl. Like, it is something about this kind of unit that just makes me feel like a boss. And then the great thing about a unit like this, like, it can still give very like sexy, because you can like wear it like with a very like cute dress, like, and go out to the club or something like that. And yeah, it's that kind of vibe. Or if you're just on like some casual vibes, like, you know, this is just perfect for that. But yeah, here's an up close look at the edges and everything. This is what it's giving. I really do like the lace on this unit, you guys, was really good. I like that it had like the pre-cut lace, and it was like the kind of like scallop type of vibe. Like, it just looks so good. And this hair is like a jet black color. I really like that as well. And just like, look how full it is, and it just has a nice flow to it. It's just really nice. So shout out to Nadula, because Nadula always comes through with the bomb units, and I really do like these new units that they have. I really like that companies are having like a lot of units that are ready to go out of the box. Like, it has a pre-cut lace. This is definitely a glueless unit as well, so if you don't want to adhere the unit, you don't have to. I typically have to though, because like, I just have a smaller head. Like, I'm just a special case, and I'm just a special person, so sometimes I have to do a little bit extra than the average girl. So you don't have to though, if you don't want to do like the ebon lace spray, because that's what I did use. I use this bad boy right here. I really do like this. It's so funny, because when I first tried this product out, like, I didn't like it. You know how like you're so used to what you're used to, so it's like trying new stuff is just like, anyway, you know what I'm saying? So I really do like this product though. It has a very good firm hold to it, and my lace looks like invisible. Like, okay, it's definitely serving and giving, girl. Really like that. Like, even if you move the hair back, like, look how good the lace is on here. It's just giving, and they pre-plucked it so good. Like, let me zoom y'all into that, because y'all need to really get into this. Like, hello. Yeah, and they bleached it so good. Like, look how well. I'm gonna cut this little piece here. Okay, I fixed like that little piece right there, because that was bothering me. Because at first I was like, oh, it's under there and they ain't gonna be able to see it, and then I kept pulling my hair back, and I'm like, but I can see it and it's bothering me. But yeah, They really do a really good job with pre-plucking it. Like, you don't have to bleach the knots on this unit, and the knots are so small, and that's why they call this the bye-bye knot unit, because the knots are like invisible. You can't see them. It just gives straight up natural scalp. Like, y'all see what's going on. The only thing that I had to do to customize this unit was just put a little bit of makeup on my lace just to match me a little bit better. But other than that, girl, this unit is ready to go, literally straight out of the box. I went ahead and just like bumped the ends just a little bit just to like refresh it, but you really don't even have to do that too much. Like, it's just great. And the great thing about it is you do have a lot of parting space on here, so if you don't want to wear it in the middle part, you can definitely switch it up. You can wear it as a flip over, you can do a deep side part. But yeah, like, look at how bomb. Like, what? So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking out this unit from Nadula, definitely check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support, and I will see all of the beautiful people in my next one. Bye.